Hi all, and welcome to Island Girl Foods TV. I'm your Island Girl, Chef Raquel Fox, and today I'm so excited to be bringing my family's Bahama Steam Sauce to your kitchen. Our recipe today is Bahama steamed pork chops with sweet and hot cherry peppers. As a chef, I always want to support locals. And speaking of local, my sauces are made right here in Ontario. Today, I am using these beautiful Ontario pork rib chops. You can go ahead and use center cut, blade, loin chops, whatever tickles your fancy. We in the islands love to use some acidity when we are going to season or marinate our meats, but my favorite is red wine vinegar. I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of it over these delicious looking pork chops. And I'm gonna hit it all over with sea salt on both sides. And then I'm gonna go in with some crushed peppercorns. I'll set aside my food safety gloves here. And we want to use a large skillet and bring it up to a medium-high heat. We just want to add canola oil to our pan and bring it up to heat first. We are going to sear our pork chops approximately 5 minutes per side because we want to seal in this delicious flavor. Once you see there's some rippling of the oil going on, then you know that your oil is hot enough. That's what I want to hear. We want them nicely golden and par cooked because these are going to finish cooking in the most luscious tomato-based sauce. Now I'm ready to flip. That's the color I'm looking for. And another 5 minutes will do. Now they're ready. We're just going to set them aside on our lined plate. This is Ontario pork chop at its best, folks. And we're going in with the remaining 2 pork chops. All we need to do is drain our oil. You want to use a glass or a stainless steel dish. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding my delicious Bahama Steam Sauce. We're gonna go in with the whole 360 milliliter bottle. And this is just enough for a serving of 4. I'm getting aromas of garlic, onions, bell pepper, earthy spices like thyme and black peppercorns. Guys, just to name a few. And I made it easy for you because it's all in one bottle. Now that my sauce is up to a simmer, it's time to add our pork chops. This dish is perfect for any time of the year, all weather. It's the ultimate Bahamian comfort food, guys. All you have to do is just put the lid on and let this cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes to an internal temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you will let it rest until it comes up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's hit it with some parsley. For my sweet and hot cherry peppers recipe, just go to my website at islandgirlfoods.com and enjoy this delicious, sweet, tangy, a little bite to it, but it's just a beautiful balance to complement these beautiful pork chops. I decided to complement my pork chops with some sweet mashed potatoes. I have my delicious sweet and hot cherry peppers on top. So if you make my Bahama steamed pork chops with sweet and hot cherry peppers, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And remember, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, Nobody does it better than your island girl. For more information on our versatile sauces and even more delicious recipes, just click the link and visit me at islandgirlfoods.com.